Howdy, y'all. 안녕하세요. Hello.
Hi, hello. I'm Han.
My beautiful wife. 우리 모이는 이유는 같이
Miyeok guk.
만들고 싶어요. We want to make the Miyeok guk.
Yes, Miyeok guk.
Miyeok guk? What is Miyeok guk?
It's basically a Korean traditional seaweed soup.
Seaweed.
Yeah, it's good for mothers who just gave birth because it's good for your bones and it cleanses your blood. So it helps with your blood circulation.
Circulation of blood.
Yay, that's right.
Wow. Vitamin K I've heard too.
Right. It's good for your bone because vitamin K helps your bone to absorb calcium.
Calcium, I like it. Wow. Sweet.
Yeah.
I want to eat it right now. I can't wait.
Okay.
Let's make it.
Yes, let's make it.
Miyeok guk.
Oh my god. I married a crazy one.
난 미쳤어.
So let's learn how to cook it. It's pretty simple. So let's do it.
Let's do it, everybody. Enjoy and send us feedback. What you think later. Love you guys.
Love you. Alright, so here is a dried seaweed.
From the ocean or the sea,
If you open this up,
which is extremely difficult. After that, whew, take a break.
you will see dried seaweeds like this. Right? You might think, oh, they are in a very small amount. But if you put them and then pour some water in it, after a few minutes, they're going to absorb water and become bigger.
And we have about 10 grams. Dun dun dun.
That will be enough, at least for 2 to 4 people. So let's pour some water in it.
Now what do we do?
We wait for Miyeok at least about 30 minutes.
Alright, so we got the fire and the heat for the sesame seed oil. 참기름, let's go. Put that in the pan. 3 spoonfuls. Let's get that smell. It smells like so rich and deep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love it.
And please buy this delicious 참기름. Only $2.99.
What? No, it's more expensive than that.
Yeah, I don't know. What else can I use this for?
Well, you can use it for bibimbap. You know that mix,
bibimbap.
right?
Rice, vegetables on
and,
top.
and the chili paste, and then this sesame seed oils adds a lot of flavor into that bibimbap. You can put some beef in it if you want in this moment, but we don't have any, so we'll just put seaweed.
No, babe, we don't have any meat. No.
Well, we are about to go to Wisconsin.
Yes. Does that explain why we don't have any meat?
Our fridge should stay empty.
Oh.
Okay, now water.
How much water do we put in?
About 1.7 to 1.8 liters. And now add some minced garlic. Hey!
Gotta jump up.
You need about a half spoon.
Yes, and that adds some nice flavor. You know, Koreans really like garlic. I feel like they eat 10 times the amount of most Americans.
Maybe that's true. Yes, we are. We are garlic lovers.
You go to the store and you get this giant bag of garlic. I've never seen bags of garlic that big in my life. Culture shock.
Okay, yes. We can eat that within a month or within like a couple weeks.
Next.
Next one is...
We have guk ganjang.
Okay, guk means soup. So we use...
Soup guk.
Koreans use soy sauce as a base adding a saltiness as
Yes.
a base for the soup. So we have specifically gukkanjang.
Yes, this is very salty.
Right. But it's also good for making a broth or soup
Oh, okay.
for Korean dishes.
I wonder if they have different soy sauces in America for like soups or non-soups. This has a strong smell too. Get that with me. Get it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go.
Give me that.
There you go, babe.
Okay.
Ta-da! Don't
About
drop
this
it.
as well, 3 spoons.
All right, everybody. We're gonna boil this for about. Oh, my hand!
Careful, careful.
We're gonna boil it for about 20 minutes, and then it should be ready.
Yes.
If you want to make a little bit more, of course, in a bigger pot, you can.
It smells really nice already.
Is there anything else that you can do to change the flavor, or Koreans do to make it, I don't know, add more things to it?
We put salt more if you want. If you want to add more saltiness.
Okay.
That's about it.
Nothing else? You don't add any like onions or other vegetables or anything?
You can put radish, cut radish.
Cut radish.
Right.
Okay.
That's it. Now we're done.
So everybody, enjoy your seaweed soup in America or wherever you are.